Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally Prime to a server. First, ensure Tally Prime is installed on both your server and client machines. Next, verify that all systems have stable network connectivity, which is a critical step. Finally, configure your firewall settings to allow Tally Prime to communicate freely across the network. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth and efficient connection process, ensuring data flows seamlessly. On the server machine, begin by opening Tally Prime and loading the specific company data you wish to share. Then, navigate to the company features and enable the Connect Company to Tally (NET Server) option. This action makes your company data accessible over the network. Remember to note down the server's IP address or its computer name, as clients will need this information to establish a connection. Now on your client machine, launch Tally Prime. From the company selection screen, choose the option to connect to Remote Tally, Net User, or select Remote Company. You will then be prompted to enter the server's IP address or computer name. Crucially, also input the default port number, which is typically 9000, to establish a successful connection to the server. If you encounter connection issues, first check that the Tally Prime Gateway server is actively running on your server machine. It is also vital to ensure that all Tally Prime installations, both server and client, are running identical versions for compatibility. For optimal performance, always use a consistent network port, typically 9000, across all configurations. These steps will help maintain a stable and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.